Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Master English Shorts channel. I am Sophia, and I am so happy to see you again.
Hi, Sophia. Hi, everyone. Today we are going to a very important, a very essential place. We are going to the supermarket.
That is right, Oliver. We all need to buy food. We all need to buy groceries every week.
I need many things today. My fridge is empty. My fridge is vacant.
Let's start with the produce section. I need some fruit. I need some fresh fruit.
What do you want to buy, Sophia?
I want some apples. I want some red apples. And I need a banana. I need a yellow banana.
Good choice. I need vegetables. I need healthy vegetables. I want to buy some carrots. I want some orange carrots.
Do we need any onions? Do we need any purple onions for the salad?
Yes, let's take 3 onions. Now we need the dairy section. I need some milk. I need a bottle of milk.
Do you need cheese? Do we need some yellow cheese too?
Yes, please. And let's get some eggs. Let's get a dozen eggs.
Okay, Oliver. What about the bakery? I can smell the bread. I can smell the fresh bread.
Oh, it smells delicious. It smells tasty. Let's buy 2 loaves. Let's buy 2 loaves of bread.
Oliver, look! The rice! The white rice is on sale today. It is very cheap. It is very inexpensive.
That is great. Let's take 1 big sack. Let's take 1 big sack of rice.
Do we have enough money? Do we have enough cash to pay for everything?
I think so. But first, we need to find the aisle. We need to find the path for the drinks.
I want some water. I want a cold water. And maybe some juice. Maybe some orange juice.
Perfect. Now our cart or trolley is very full.
Let's go to the checkout. Let's go to the cashier to pay.
Look, there is a long line. There is a long queue of people.
It is okay. We can wait. We can stay here for a few minutes.
While we wait, let's check our list. Let's check our shopping list. Did we forget anything?
We have the fruit, the milk, the bread, and the rice. No, we are ready. We are prepared.
Great. Shopping is tiring. Shopping is exhausting sometimes, but it is fun.
I agree. I am hungry. I am famished now. Let's go home and cook.
Yes. Thank you, everyone, for joining our shopping trip today.
We hope you learned many words. We hope you learned many terms for your next trip to the store.
Please subscribe. Please follow our channel for more lessons.
See you in the next episode. Have a lovely day.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.